There are various types of combinational circuit. Let us take the different types of combinational circuits one by one. The first example or a type of a combinational circuit are adders, which are further being continued with subtractors. Now, since we are talking about the logic circuit, so we talk in the terms of binary system. A binary means representing a 2-bit, which is 0 and 1. So we will be taking binary adders. That is a form of a combinational circuit. And there are two types of binary adders, half adders and full adders. What is an adder? Basically used for the addition operation. First, let us see what is a half adder all about. It is a combinational circuit. The first thing which is very clear to us, it is a combinational circuit depending upon only on the input and the output. It has two inputs and two outputs. It is basically a building block for addition of two single bit binary number. Most important term which we need to understand, what is a single bit binary number. Single bit means 0, 1. Either it can add 0 plus 1, it can add 0 plus 0. These are single digits. It can add 1 plus 1, it can add 1 plus 0. Why I am writing it sometimes here, because it will be depending upon how many number of inputs we are having. Next, it has two outputs, sum and carry. As we have already mentioned, to know about the combination circuit, we should know what is the number of inputs and what are the number of outputs, what operation do it needs to operate on, and what are the outputs here. What is a block diagram of a half adder? This is my half adder. I'm not taking any logic gate. It is just a journal block diagram. A half adder which will have two inputs already mentioned. Let I take the two inputs be represented by A and B, and it has two outputs. One is sum. When I add two things, what I get is always a sum, and there is a possibility of carry. Sum is represented by a capital S and carry is represented by a capital C. These are representing the outputs, these are representing the inputs. Since two inputs are there, so I have represented in the terms of A and B. Next is to write down the truth table of the half adder. This side I will have my inputs, and here I will have my output. I have two inputs A, B, and I have two outputs sum and carry. When we have two inputs, I know how many combinations will be there. 2 raised to power 2, that is 4 combination. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now let us start with the output. How do I obtain the sum? By performing the addition, that is 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0, what I will get as a sum? 0. Is there any carry here? No. So sum will be 0 and carry will be 0. Next, 0 plus 1. What will be my sum? 1. Is there any carry if I add a 0 with 1? No. So their sum is 1 and carry is 0. What about 1 and 0? 1 plus 0. Again the sum is equal to 1. And what about carry? There will be no carry. So this is 1 and 0 here. Now taking the very important addition, 1 plus 1. When I add, in the case of half adder, a binary addition I am following here. 1 plus 1, the sum will be equal to 0. with a carry equal to 1. What does it represents? That if I'm carry, you understand, if I'm adding 9 plus 3, I get 12. 2 is my sum and 1 is my carry. 1 is being carried to the next digit. So when I add 1 plus 1, I have a sum equal to 0 and carry equal to 1. This is the most important term which we have to remember, that 1 is added with 1, the sum is equal to 0 and carry is equal to 1.